What's up? It is Zipporah here, and today we are going to be turning that super... Okay, I actually love the fabric of it, and the fit is like very royal-esque in my opinion. And so, but honestly, like it's not a vibe for nowadays. So we're gonna be doing a little thrifting flip. I'm going to be making it like a super cute bougie modern day outfit. Anyway, we're gonna give that a try. If you guys saw my Chanel DIY where I turned a like kind of a faux tweed ugly dress into a super cute Chanel inspired two-piece set, we're gonna be doing something pretty similar. So if you want to see how I transform this lovely thing into a full-on look, then make sure you just keep watching. Okay guys, so the first thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and mark on the skirt how short I want it to be, leaving a bit of an allowance so you can hem the seam once it is all done. So I just went ahead and snipped that. I didn't really show the whole stitching part, but I just used the zigzag stitch. That is one of my favorites to use, especially whenever you have a pretty fabric, and it just kind of blends in a lot better. So now I'm going into the jacket portion, and I'm just going to be cutting out the puffy things and the sleeves. What is that called? Shoulder pads. I'm just going to be cutting out the shoulder pads and making it a little more flat, and now I'm going to crop it, once again leaving some allowance so you can figure out, you know, your seam. Now I'm going to flip the whole thing inside out, and we're going to fix the puffiness of the sleeve. So there's already a dart in there, and I'm just going to start pretty much where the dart is and lead it all the way up and just leave a little tiny bit, so we're creating like an extra ruffle at the very top, but it's gonna just slim down the sleeve quite a lot more. So now I'm taking the very bottom piece of that jacket, and I'm going to be sewing straight down the center, and then also after that, because of the round shape, to thin it out again, I'm going to be figuring out where the under armpit area would be if you were to hold it up like a bustier. I can't talk. But I'm going to create another little dart, as you can see here, little triangles in there, and that's going to just create a really nice solid top. And now the part of the skirt that we cut off, I'm going to be measuring that to the exact length and size that I'm wanting it to be to actually finish making the bralette vibe. So I'm just going to snip that in half, and now I'm going to pin right sides together and sew along that new seam. So we now have, it's almost like a corset kind of vibe, I guess. See, boom. Now you get where I was going with this. It was a lot. So now I'm just taking some more trim, and then this part I actually ended up designing it in a way to where like you don't have to put the trim on both sides, but I didn't have it all quite figured out. I've just kind of been rolling with the punches, going as it all goes. So I used a zigzag stitch, and you honestly could not even tell after it was sewn on that it was something different because it was all lace. Now I'm going to be taking some more scraps from the skirt, and I'm just going to be sewing them together to create little sleeves for our top. And because currently you gotta social distance, I did not have any other supplies, so I just used what I had, and that's where this part, to make it actually fit like I was wanting it to, it covers up the lace on the other side, but I just put these little buttons on there. I'm probably going to go through and eventually get different clasps, but from before, bum-ba-da-dum, to after. So this is with the jacket. As you can see, the sleeves are a lot more slim, less puffy with the little dart that we made, and it's honestly just such an adorable three-piece set. It looks so luxurious. The fabric is absolutely amazing. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. I hope that everyone enjoyed it and had fun and learned something. And again, like, I'm not a professional, I just think it's a lot of fun to revamp the things that we already have, especially right now while you'd have to stay inside. I figured, you know, pick up the projects that you've been meaning to do. Ignore my messy closet. But yes, pick up the projects that you already have and get some things done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of the day. Don't forget to smile because it makes the world go round. Bye guys.